Malemgi mafam kayada ngasi Quit India Movement thauram pangthoknabagum Manipurgi oinasu Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee na sinduna marfu humdoirak suba Quit India Movement thauram pangthokre BT Rota leba Congress Bhavanda pangthokkiba thauram maduda CLP gi leader singna luchingduna Freedom Fighters singi photo da leisu katuna ikai khumnaba utkibaga loinana Congress Party gi khobak yekba firal su chinkhatki Thauramadu Mari Lendana, Paumi Singh Hankiba Wahangi Pakum Piraduna, Kaisham Mega Chandrana Fongdokibada, Manipur da Chathariba Irang President Rule Laktringai Waroshin Purak Pangamde, President Rule Laklaba Matam da Su Tangdu Leitaba Hanjin Hanbangam Daduna, Free Movement Yadre, Masida, Makatana PR Sangtaba Haibasi, Constitution Gi Wangmadani, Amaromda, Lengak Ama Sembagi MLA Masing Shuna Ladiba Party Amana, Lengak Sembangam Daba Haibasi, Matik Chaba Leader Oiba MLA Yaudri Haiba Takpani, Leader Oibangamba MLA Yaudrabadi, Nauna Election Toduna, Leader Oibangamba Mi Kanba Haibasi, Democracy Chatpa Lebak Amagi Tangai Fadaba Amani Haiba Wafam Singh, Tamlake.
Manipur ki situation haibadi social issues, political issues, adagi tongan ba issues me am se tona yam gre aduga lairiba housing Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee ki maikei degiti koi handak lairiba MLA su honorable MLA manga khaktani then koi gi lairiba tongan ba office bearers in Congress ki meam leaders meam si tawrakanda Manipur ki situation se akoi very much akoi gi yamna serious hoina lowi aduga Apagi Matamatamgi, Ladiba, Ziki Santi Raksagi, Matangsida, Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee na Sauba suggestion, Adagi Tongan National Ki leaders sing, India Bloc ki leaders sing, even the Prime Minister, Home Minister of the BJP, Masida Suai am highlight of memorandum kaya pidana Congress ki apagi party ki sahite ki am kantawe. Ado hoji phawda laiba law and order ki adagi shanti lagna bagi wafam se masigi matangda central government amasu state government ki BJP ki laiba singsina yamna serious oina lawda bodona koi wi aduga awatadi akoi ki 13 akoi ki February sidagi president rule lakhi badagi diko kitang akoi kamna ba hona ba mayam sibidi lepre aduga hoji phawda koi free movement leitri then adagi pochai mamal tangba essential commodities sing tongan ba sectors sing education social welfare schemes sing punamakti koi paralyzed tawraga financial position ju asoba crisis koi ui lei budget ki hoji chathariba Manipur ki parliament da Manipur ki president rule tawrakanda leiraba matu di parliament da koi kisi khana kare budget pass tawre koi kisi budget ki size ju pi then adagi lairiba relief came singi kaitoi ba 500 something kra adusu akoi maduna bu kari tawni aduna housing IDP singi problem namna sauna lei aduna masigi si chief secretary government of Manipur na PK Singh laukom badu December bo manungda IDP sing loini haibasi akoi asa ude adagi concrete road map ama hoji phawba laukom badu first phase ge akoi loigre hoji phawta hani position da dum lai aduna budget sisu achauba factor amani then adagi housing ngarang han GST gi amendment bill pass tawre then adusu akhoi gi mainland India Delhi ga Manipur ga GST akhoi gi lawbagi chang si kamaina man handoino masi achauba soiba mana para singta akhoi gi poor become poorer lairaba sini hena lairaba ina kunba sini hena ina kunba sigi wafam do adum tongan ba budget ki adagi kaitoi ba senfam development ki program ba khoi adum asam ga changdam noroga di lot of difference adagi then GST ki laiba issue mayam jina khoi Manipuri sing city yamna wa ba film de laini aduna masi handak budget ki dusu khoi pende adagi khoi oppose tawi maram di laiba Manipur ki situation adagi laiba khoi ki geographical position adagi Manipur gi laiba mayam hojik present crisis masina marmur kan special attention simudi Bharat Sarkar BJP lengak sina lawdi hai simdi budget itself masina sudum lawi then adagi crisis ki matang sida su hojik phawda akoi gi political will leitaba president runa muk thataruk sangdo e masisu akoi pamde maramdi prajasing ki right leiti prajasing ki complaint adagi tabinable leiti hojik aduna masisu akoi pamde aduga 60 members laibda hujik 54 lai BJP ki alliance da adu hujik sarkar simbang ngamde adai sarkar simbang ngamdaba haibasi law and order su ngamdaba sarkar simba su ngamdaba adai administration su laitaba adai ki financial development su laitaba adagi tongan ba development work su leitaba kari asa tongningai lei. We don't have any expectations from this government. Housing si Manipur se pura lengak leitaba degi aikoi gi health ki facility piri bisisu Bharat sarkar na piri ba akoi gi prime minister gi health gi facility sisu ajana phangde. Housing akoi gi Manipur gi the health card pai basing se masi hospital sing se loina akoi location bide regard tawde adu accept tawbide. Then adagi amuk PM Kisan ko masisu asau ko issue oiri ba housing FCS central government na akoi gi Kisan card se PM Kisan si masi gi members se 5 lakh semjalure longmi lakh manga semu basina maram murkanda longmi amase masi low pari khara leigedabne ba adu lakh manga semjalure ba then adu hujiki ration card pricing se loi kaglak ka dore then adu redi phangiba napsa gi cheng sing sisu phangoi dore aduna September bok manungda PM Kisan card pai ruba mi khaise loina cheng dagi delete to haire then wari basite the administration soibedegi Kisan card po lakh manga Manipur do officially leise agriculture department recognize the lakh amu tane aduna achau fraud ama achau scheme ama paisa mayam lut to bagi even akoi gi sida lei basina hoji solai bana lai raba parja masa khangdana PM Kisan card cha gi ba mayam sing enroll to gi ba mayam sing siang phangoi dore then it's a huge loss achau mangja ba la e aduna amu madu Kisan card ti mu ka aga napsa card pai na ba ration card pai na ba hona bata ngasai gi amu paisa mayam karor sang dore madu gi verification re-verification to pa. So this is the whole system that we are facing, we are experiencing under this government. It is totally failure. Aduna haujiki laiba position sida Manipur yam war parjasi we don't have any expectation from this BJP government.